Today market quite bad, big drop in the morning, everything drop, because yesterday US big drop. Later we take a look at the chart and the news. Check out the introduction first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Today market looks very bad. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so let's check out what's going on in the market. Look at US big drop yesterday. Okay, this is probably why KLO dropped, technology dropped, Dow Jones dropped 1 point something, NYSE dropped 1 point plus 1.2, S&P dropped 1.9, Nasdaq dropped 3.3, very big drop. So suddenly US big drop. That's why I think that Malaysia also today all got shocked. Okay, so KLCI, remember yesterday we talked about here. Okay, this is a consolidation around this area, right? A consolidation, right? Okay, if the price managed to break above, we are looking for another bullish run. If the price break below, we are looking for the price to come back to 1525. Hopefully, it can rebound. If it cannot rebound 1525, then could be in trouble. Okay, KLCI could be in trouble. So let's check out the BURSA. Very bad today. Sentiment 27, gainers 211, losers 567. Very bad. 1.34. The volume 14 points down. So look at all red all red. Consumer drop 0.7. Industry big drop 0.37. Sorry, in commercial consumer drop 0.37. Industrial 0.75 drop. Construction drop 0.3. Technology big drop. Nasdaq big drop 1.5. Finance 0.7 drop. Property 0.4 drop. Foundation 0.16 drop. RET 0.12 drop. Energy 0.55 drop. Healthcare also drop 0.38. Telecommunication 0.59 drop. 58 drop. Transportation 0.39 drop. Utilities 0.45 drop. So all drop. Everything drop. Very bad today. Let's look at the today I posted my latest the forex video. You want to check out forex, don't forget to watch my video. And yesterday, don't forget to watch the Cowick. The video talked a bit about Cowick and the glove. And want to buy me coffee, remember, okay, go to coffee.com. So let's check out the momentum stock. What's the stock momentum? Not too many today. We got this AN credit continue go up, already hit target AN credit so can take profit already. Okay, AN credit already hit target area. BSLCORP basically is opportunity to run. Whether I got highlight BSLCORP. Okay, BSLCORP, right? Any rebound, right? It's opportunity to run. Take a quick look BSLCORP. Let me see. BSLCORP very strong downtrend. So any rebound, this rebound is opportunity to run. Want to play, want to invest a bit difficult because already big drop. I think it's opportunity to run more than opportunity to invest. BSLCORP. See what else? AN credit take profit. QL got some volume. Let's take a look at QL. QL also big drop. Whoever already got caught one, I think opportunity to run. QL is 7804. So unless you want to invest, right, until it broke through clear 5.3, then maybe got chance to invest. If it still cannot go through 5.36, right, it's opportunity to run first. QL, other than that, KLK still got some energy. Take a quick look. Take a quick look at KLK. KLK continue to hold. Looks like it's coming down, coming to this target. Affin target and Kenanga target 22.9 and then 23.6. Okay, this one continue to hold. Notion, big volume. Look at Notion. Notion 0083, unstable P&L. So this one opportunity to run, any rebound opportunity to run. If you want to invest, if it stay above this one 0.525, stay above 0.525 only possible, got chance. Other than that, this one is too much a downtrend. Pick bottom, this is very low. If you want to play this one, look at 0.525. If it goes above, then maybe can play. ELSOFT, okay, ELSOFT got some momentum. Oh, ELSOFT, wow, ELSOFT rebound from the top channel. Now heading to TA. This one too late to chase already. This one we already profit over here already play over here, already make already. So this one too late to chase, almost hit target already. TA target. If you're holding, I think 1 or 2 more day push, you can take profit already. Okay, if you're holding this one. This one is too late to chase now. Okay, if you're holding it, if you already buy in, haven't sell, then maybe can hold another few days for the 1.25, the TA target. Coaster continue to go out. Coaster is also too late to chase. Okay, see what else we want to talk about this one. ELSOFT BSLCORP, Notion, KLK, QL. Hong Leong Capital, I think got some momentum in the morning. I saw Hong Leong now went missing. This one, Hong Leong Capital, got some momentum. Take a quick look. So today, I think you want to buy. Maybe wait for another 1-2 days. Hong Leong Capital a bit difficult to play. Very volatile. This one. Want to buy cheap. Maybe 6.5 and it drop down only buy. Now here is a bit difficult. This one making a U-turn. Hong Leong Capital making a U-turn. Maybe slowly can go up. Maybe slowly cup and handle. This is cup, this is a handle. I think this one. Buy some, keep for long term. I think can keep for long term if it goes up above, maybe above 7.25, let's see. This one a bit difficult, very volatile. If we stay above 7.275, maybe can pick some. I think this is making a cup and handle, cup handle. So this one, so most probably is coming to this 9 ringgit area. You want to come to this 9 ringgit. 8.8. Okay, so stop loss will be around 6. If you want to play this one, stop loss will be around here. 6.82. Okay, so that's it. 6.765. Okay, so that's it for today. So glove today, no more flying. Okay, let me see. Glove no more flying today. So yeah, drop glove. Everything drop. Everything drop now. 11:45. So look at the glove chart first. Take a quick look. Went up in the morning, but in the evening sell back down. Looks not so good for now. Okay, so that's it for today. Stay safe from COVID. Bye bye.